Welcome back to Carscoops for this, our ride along in a BMW M3 GT2 race car. This particular car is one of the BMW fleet that swept the manufacturer, driver, and team GT class championships in the 2004 Rolex Sports Car Series. The livery you see on it here dates back to its time as a American Le Mans Series campaign car in 2006. It features a 3.4-liter inline-six that develops roughly 450 horsepower. So that's actually less than in the two other cars that I got to ride in, a classic BMW M1 𝗙𝗍 race car and a BMW Z4 GT2 race car. Despite that, this was by far the fastest of the trio, as the driver appeared to be trying to set a lap record every single lap. Now, maybe it was because of that aggressive driving style that shortly thereafter, this car broke down and had to be retired for the rest of the day. For now though, sit back, turn your speakers up, and enjoy the sights and sounds of a BMW M3 GT2 race car at BMW Performance Center. That's one excellent race car, but be sure to check out our other videos and see how it compares to a classic BMW M1 race car and a Z4 GT2 race car. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It really does help our channel. And if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe. By all means, let us know in the comments what car you'd like to see us ride along in next.